You tired of making tents like the old days? Alright fam, so now that you saw how Junior was setting up a tent, we're going to show you how easy it is to set up an Instatent. So we showed you guys in one of our previous videos where we went camping or whatever, and we had the tents there from Walmart. So now we're going to show you an unboxing of the actual set we bought. It's $97 at Walmart, and it's kind of amazing. We've used it 2 or 3 times, and so far they've worked so well. We bought everything there pretty much, the pillow mattress, the pillows, and you'll see what the kit comes with. The kit comes with tables, chairs, and the actual tent. You'll see how easy it is to put up. So I'll show you the box real quick and then we'll get going. All right fam, so Drew's gonna help me kind of set up. So we're gonna use the tarp we always have for all the other tents. It just protects the bottom of your tents pretty much to make them last a little longer. And then we're gonna have them unbox it. So Drew's gonna start unboxing it. As you see, it comes in a nice tight package. Let me help him out here. Dustin, give him a hand.
I'm only in here for a cameo.
Yeah.
Cheers, putos.
Oh, he's timing us? No, this is unboxing, dude. We're taking our time.
Nope.
Then we'll time it.
I unboxed and set up.
Hey, ignore Junior.
Ignore Junior, yeah. So the actual setup comes up with 2 sleeping bags, and we'll open them up so you can check them out afterwards. You can set them down, and then it also comes with a table, which is right there. Set that bad boy up. Set it up. Set it up. So you do that, and then you just pretty much pull on these straps to tighten it up, and then you have a table with cup holders. Check that out. You see, and then you could put your drinks, hold a couple things. It's not a super sturdy table, so I wouldn't put anything heavy on it, but it'll hold your chips and whatnot. And then it comes with couple double chairs. These chairs are simple, plain, but they do have cup holders. So a lot of chairs don't come with cup holders, and these ones do. The cheap ones usually don't, and these ones do. So there you go, 2 chairs. And then he's gonna set up the tent. We're gonna wait to set that up till right now, because we're gonna time it, because Junior here wants to be a smart ass with his phone. And then we're gonna time it. Junior here is gonna be timing it. Ready, set, go. No, open that up, open that up.
How do you open it up, dude? Pull it. Oh.
Now pull the other one. And then you just stretch the legs. Stretch the legs and make them click. That's one.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, keep pulling it. It'll click.
Is it made of construction paper?
Are you serious? Are you serious?
It's a 40-second set. Yeah, 47 seconds in.
So 50 seconds and you got to set up tent. You still got to stake it and then put the shield on top of it so it's sturdier. The actual material is from Walmart, so I'm not telling you guys can sit in like thunderstorm or anything crazy when it comes to wind, but for an easy setup with pretty nice weather, you can't beat this. It sets up in less than 60 seconds, as you saw. We're gonna stake it up, put the cover on it, and we're Gucci. So Junior's gonna get the hammer. It comes with the basic stakes, but when we're out in the desert like this, we bring out heavier duty stakes that you can buy at Walmart. They're also $1. But we're gonna try to plug in with the easy ones, and then if that doesn't work, we'll use the heavy duty stakes and the hammer. So make sure you guys bring a hammer when you guys do some setup. But the tent's pretty simple. It looks just like any of the other ones that you set up. Only, like I said, it's not a bunch of pieces. It's basically all in one piece. And it's pretty much done.
All right, so check it out. See this box right here? It says Instatent. It actually means Instatent. As you can see from our video, it only took us 50 seconds to set this tent up. So on this tent, it says the Instatent. What it comes with here, as far as chairs, table, sleeping bags, and then the tent itself. And within 50 seconds, you got everything set up. You can get this over at Walmart. You can order it online. We happen to choose picking it up from Walmart. Great buy. Decided to test it out, and
yeah, and the actual company that makes it is called Ozark. And I think that's just Walmart's brand because they have everything Ozark there. They have a grill, plates, all that stuff that you use for overlanding basically. And now that we're using it, it seems to be working. So we'll give you a review maybe 2 or 3 months down the road, see how they've held up. We will be doing more camping here on the channel. So you guys should expect a lot from these, or at least to see if they last. And if they don't, we'll tell you. You know, we've been trial and error for a lot of things, like, you know, tires, but now it's time to get camping and doing this segment a little bit more, because we always did it, we just never talked about it a lot, and now it's time to break into it a little bit. But this Ozark tent is awesome. What's the size on it?
6x8.
It's a 6x8 tent. It says it's good for 2 to 4 people. I would say two adults maybe and 1 kid. That would be good. And then we're gonna put a blow up mattress in it, and then you use the sleeping bags and you're good. So thanks again for watching that, and hope you guys are enjoying the review on that. I don't know how many of you guys shopped or not, or if you have tents already that you're tired of setting up, but now with these Instatents, it kind of makes it fun. You just boom, you bring them out, you set them up, it's done. Like 60 seconds. It doesn't make it a hassle of camping. You know, we're tear down, setting up is always a long process. This makes it so much easier, so much more like convenient and enjoyable. So now that you have that, let us know what you guys think in the comments, if you guys have used them, better companies, all that good stuff. Because not just me, but the whole team barely discovered Instatents, and we were like shocked. We were like, what? We've been wasting our time this whole time. So thanks again for watching the video. Appreciate the love. Make sure you follow us on Instagram, YouTube, all that good stuff. We'll see you guys later.